Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel, and today we're going to be going into another tip on finding good deals on tools or really anything on Amazon besides just searching what you're looking for. This is a good way to find those daily deals or tools or whatever you're looking for at the lowest possible price. And also keep in mind, whenever you find something on Amazon, you always want to check out that manufacturer or that company's website as well to compare prices and check other websites, because even though it might be on sale here, it still might not be as low as somewhere else or even their website themselves. So you always want to make sure and check that out. But today we're going to go shop by department. Once again, we're going to go to automotive, then we'll go to tools. And once you've done that, you can select deals and rebates. And then over here on the left, you can search vehicle specific outlets, the outlet deals. Amazon outlets, it used to be a section up here where it would say Amazon outlets, just like Amazon warehouse. Amazon outlets was an overstock of items, where Amazon warehouse are mainly returned items, things like that. Amazon outlet is something where they had an overstock of products. So when you go here, that's basically what you're finding is an overstock of products that Amazon holds. So just kind of searching through here, I'm not saying like it's going to be super easy to find what you're looking for, but to just kind of go through here once a week, once every couple weeks, you can actually find a lot of good deals, and a good way to save money. But even through here, you still want to check other locations and compare their price before making a purchase. And really, you should do that before anything. But sometimes Amazon can be tricky like that, especially like with the GearWrench products. I own a lot of GearWrench, but when you find GearWrench products on Amazon, it always has a list price. And the list price, let's say for an impact socket, says $260, and it says on sale for $90 or $150. Never have I actually seen one of those GearWrench products at the list price. They're constantly at that sale price, and that's because they're being sold everywhere at that price. So that list price just kind of makes it look better. It's really not I mean, I'm not saying it's a bad deal, but they're making it look like it's a bigger deal than what it really is. But to just kind of go through here and find what you're looking for, and you can narrow it down a little bit more, by the sellers, by the brands, tools and equipment would kind of make it a little bit easier if you're specifically looking for tools. So this is just another real quick way of finding good deals on anything, really, not just specifically tools, but automotive stuff, clothes, accessories for the house, appliances. I mean, really anything. It's just something good to check out and a really good way to save money if you are looking for something. So just a real quick tip, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts if you guys enjoy these real quick tip videos. There's only so many of these that I can make, but I figure I want to share them with you, just so if you're bored one day and you end up on Amazon like I do sometimes, just scrolling looking for things, this is a good way to find some good deals. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time.